I received a man with the result of a biological examination of his company. This apparently healthy gentleman was surprised that his company doctor declared him kidney ill at a crucial moment of his job. The supervisor has retorted, "There are three deputy heads to apply for these positions, and it is at this time the company doctor disqualifies him by attributing to him a kidney disease. For him, it is a plot against him. He came to see me, hoping for an opinion contrary to that of the doctor of his company. Unfortunately, health medicine is not a party against disease medicine. We are complementary. The two doctors speak the same language when it is necessary to find the evil. It is in the protocol of the treatment of our opinion differ. I look at him lab results and told him, if these results are yours, if these results have not been falsified ever, they are not good. Your kidneys are probably sick. If you want a contrary opinion, it is to do another examination in another laboratory, and we will confuse the result. But if you have to settle on the result I see, your kidney is seriously ill. Sir, the kidney is the blood filters. Your filter is sick, so it doesn't clean your blood well. There is yet another almost asymptomatic disease. It is discovered in routine examination like liver disease. So, in 5 videos, we will discover kidney. We will learn how to maintain or how to treat it in case of illness. Welcome to Objective Santé, your well-being channel, which will allow to discover kidney. The machine that constantly washes our blood. Let's know how this machine works, how we maintain it, and how it's treated in case of illness. I'm Dr. Nathu. I show you health medicine. If you apply what I'm saying, you will live in perfect health. So, kidney, where is it? Let's explore the image in front of us. In the first picture, you see a man and a woman. They both have kidneys at the top and connect to the bladders at the bottom. Just above the kidney are pipes through with blood enter the kidney. The kidneys filters the blood. They allow all the dirt containing in the blood to pass with a quantity of water. The dirt is collected in the bladder. The bladder collects this liquid dirt that is called urine or pee in the children. At a certain amount, the urge to urinate is triggered. We evacuated the content of the bladder outside. The kidneys work constantly. We have about 5 liters of blood in our body, and all the quantity makes a complete turn in our kidneys. The kidneys evacuate all the dirt containing in the wall of blood and bring back all that is still good and save our cells. The bladder can't hold up to 5 liters of urine. The best you have to urinate as soon as the need arises. We are going to go into the kidney itself. How the kidney works to turn blood into urine. Let's go to the second picture here. It's very technical. I will make a brief summary for you. The blood coming from the heart strikes the nephron. The nephrons are services where the separation takes place. The nephron returns everything that is still good and reusable by our cells. Let's throw all the waste that will be pre-collected in the calyces. At the level of the calyces, the sorting process contains some figurative elements and mineral salts will be recovered, and the wash will continue its course to the basin second collection. Patient will urinate and its collection in the bladder. The bladder collects up to the quantity and evacuate the urines. Here is naturally, succinctly how the kidney work, and remember that it works all the time. It has no rest. As long as you have a drop of blood in your body, the kidney will filter it. Here, the introduction of our subject about sickness. See you the next video. We are keep on our subject. Thank you very much, and see you to the next video.